Meet the crow, nature's crafty genius. Known for their intelligence, crows are surprisingly brainy. They can recognize human faces and remember them. Crows live everywhere, except Antarctica. They adapt to various environments, from deserts to cities. That's versatility at its best. Did you know? Crows make tools, a skill only a few animals possess. They bend wires to retrieve food from hard-to-reach places. When a crow dies, its neighbors may have a funeral. Crows communicate in complex ways using a variety of sounds. They even have regional dialects. Lastly, these black beauties remember kindness. Feed a crow, and it might bring you trinkets as a thank you. Amazing, right?